Hi guys, my name's Jack, and today I decided it would be a good time to start a little community challenge I'm going to set myself. If you have any issues within Unity, with any of the tutorials that I've done or anyone else have done, and you just would like a clear video on what's gone wrong and kind of how to overcome it, then please let me know and I will do that. And that is exactly what we're going to be doing in this video today. So the other day I launched a video which is a complete guide to Unity 4.3.0. Yesterday I had a comment from this comment just here. It says, great video mate, but how do I put ads at the end of the level before switching to the next scene and play the ad? So I did highlight it in the video, however clearly I was not clear enough. So I'd just like to very quickly show this user how to very quickly implement it. So just go over us to the conversation. He changed seasons through the game manager when I hit the endpoint. I George writes show ad, but his script here is throwing back a null expression. So what I've done here is if I go into my Unity file, I've replicated the error here, so we can see just here the null reference exception, which he is getting. So just to deconfuse everything, I've just used a generic quick kind of template here just to kind of get it across. So if we were just to simulate at the end level, then that little yellow box right at the end there would simulate kind of the end level, so to speak. And as you see just there, it is throwing us back the null error. So if we go back into our code where we've got the initializer, we know the fact that is all good. Initializes, fantastic, perfect. So we know the fact that that's all fine. Then if we go and have a look into the Interstitial ads and we view that, this is again exactly how we left it, even with the quarantine kind of chilled out. So what we're going to do is head on back over and go into the actual script where that yellow box actually has. So this is the end trigger, which is exactly as written the code that was sent to me. So if we go to the end trigger code, as we can see just here, absolutely perfect. He's on the right path and is pretty much there. So we've got the game manager, and then we've also got the Interstitial ad just there. So then what we're going to want to do is if we head on back over to Unity, we're then going to go down to where the script is added. So this is on the container of where the character collides with the object. So this is on like the door or the end portal, or however it is that you've added it on. So the script here, we've got the game manager just added in there, but we haven't yet added on the actual game object just there. So what we've got to do is if we drag and drop that over to here, that should now alleviate the null reference exception. So now if we play it again, head on over to here, we should then be greeted with an advert. There we go then. So that's how that would be how you would fix that. Now the other alternative way of fixing that, as a secondary alternative way, would be so if we were to add down here and we do the starts, we go to void starts, we should do an avoid awake. Void awake. So this runs at the point of this script running for the first time. So if we were to have that one, so if we weren't to drag that over, what we could do is we could do end ad equals game object dot find, and then we're going to be looking for the game object that is Interstitial ad dot get components, and then put in the game object like so. That's the alternative way if you do not feel like physically actually clicking on and dragging across. That will work. However, though, the original way we did it, where we drag and dropped, is a much more efficient way in the way that Unity in fact finds itself. So just very quickly demonstrate that working now. So if we go to the item list there, we delete that out, so just to show the fact it does work. We click play, and again, there we go. So it's just a case of making sure that that script is in fact linked up to the game. Thank you very much. If you do have any more questions, or if it's still not working for you, let me know. Reach out and let's have a look at it. Let's actually have a proper in-depth look at your code, and I will work out where it is you're going wrong. If this is the kind of thing that you guys would quite like to see more of, then drop your issue within the comments. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.